If you are learned to about how to make any font your default in Microsoft Word, then how you can do that. For example, I have Time New Romans is my default font and the size is 12. So how you can change the default font? You can see that there is a font section and this group. You can click on this arrow and here you need to select the font of your choice. For example, I have selected Century Gothic and I'm selected the regular or bold. So I'm selecting regular. So I'll be default using the size 14. And here is the font color. If you want to change it to blue, you can select blue. And in the preview, you can see also the sample. And if you change the color to orange, this preview is in orange. So right now I am selecting blue. And now you can also select the underline or underline color, that's up to you, and you need to click on the set as default. Once you click on that, there are two options. So if you want to apply these changes only for this document, you need to select this option, and if you want to apply this setting for the entire document, so you need to click on the all documents on the normal templates and click OK. And now the color has been changed and you can see here the default font has been Century Gothic here and the size is 14. So in this way you can easily make any font your default in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.